Connect Mark 2. This one's a 2018. Go under the door panel. Get this one off first. It's a T20 Torxed. Then gotta get this out here. Then in there. And you need to get this with a magnet. There you go. Now this comes off again with the pick tool. Go underneath. You get a pull. There's now two Torxed there. Now there's one here behind the handle here. I'm not too sure if I can do it and all this at the same time. But you just go at the back there, put the handle back. Then there's another one there. That's that. And you undo that one. And that's all of them. Then we've got 3 bolts to hold the mirror on. What you do, just give it a bit of a snatch. Like that. Now it will drop down. Just hold there. So then you undo the wiring. And lighting. Or you could do that and drop it in the bottom of the door. Hang on, let's just go screwdriver and do